Okay, guys, I just got in and I got my package from Austereattire, and I'm so excited, y'all. When I picked up this package out of the mail, I could smell like this very sweet scent, and I couldn't figure out where it was coming from at first. But y'all, it's coming out of this package. Like, I don't know what they sprayed or what they put these scarves in, but y'all, they smell so good. Like, I can't even explain to you. I'm gonna make sure I ask them what they do, because the way this girl looks right here in this picture with her hand across her chest, like, that's how I feel when I smell these scarves. It's like breathtaking. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show you, I guess, some of the packaging and how it looks. This is how much I paid for these two scarves. One was on sale for $7. I think the other one was $15, and then there was no tax, and then I paid $5 for shipping. So I'm just gonna get right into it. So I got the kind of tan color, and then like a dark orange color. I guess that's what you want to call it. I'll try to see if I can find the correct name of these colors, because on screen they honestly don't look the way they look in person. I'm not sure. I don't know why the light has the scarves, in a different color. The lighting really isn't that bad. So this is just the first one. I'm just gonna take a second and let you look at it out of the package. I'm not gonna unfold it all the way, because I'm not gonna try them on right now. So I don't want to mess them up, but I just wanted to show you the colors out of the bag so you can get a little more of a visual of what they look like. So then I'm just gonna jump to the next one real quick, and this is the other color. Well, I said orange, but I don't know what you would call it. Like I said, I need to see the name of it, but I'll take it out real quick so you can look at it. I'm struggling. Yeah, wait a second. Okay, so here we go. So I finally got that out. So can you see now how like the color is kind of tricky? And I'll also post a picture on my Instagram page, XOXO Curly Chris, and that way you can get like a better idea of what the true color looks like. But y'all, they are so soft, like really soft and spongy, and they're really light and kind of thin, but not in a bad way. So yeah, I got these, and I can't wait to try these on. Look how pretty they are. And look at their logo. I don't know. They did a really good job. So I'm just really excited to wear them and to kind of, go out for the first time with my scarf on. I normally wear my hair tied up in a bandana or like a small scarf, but this is like an actual true size that I can actually, get all my hair wrapped up in. So I don't know, y'all. I'm just excited about this experience. So check back in with me later. Bye.